Obna Nkrumah. One ne PRO. Daniel Yao. Gerardo, right? Okay. Oh, bra betrance mami. Betrance mami. One boss. Na munyina montra ha na yeni nkomo. Nkrumah.
Nya, kokwan. Nyamia so dwenka ho.
Enka ho so. Odi nyamia chia media. Eza so wadwudwuma pre. Nyame wo ho se ye dwumanti no
and enu ntinse na o ma ye sebe nyansa ne nimde se as human beings no
yeah
ye nyina ye mfa ye nimde hakanye den emwa ye man
Nhyira FM
ka se maboto because of videos na
me no
we ma me hwe ne the way as nipa tore bia na ye timu ye den fa
yeah
na ahomte and juma nyina as team mufo as sabe tada kan no yan aban ma yetumi no de be ye juma
yeah
de bia na meka se menya na nka FDA ye wo ba bibia wo krom ha but even greater Kumasi cry anya that easy
sir
enti ya na ye percent ka se de for information eboa ye juma ne pa enti no na kakra meka no so no na medical so de ntia ama wetiefo ne asanteman na won so ewa juma nyina ye den ye aboa asanteman na minia akra wono
right but say Ira Nkrumah ma mimisa ho mo aso ye no asanteman tem ha particularly ewo hin ne hin
ye wo RCC ye ne regional minister and wo the same compound
oh mo ne doctor mo akọ hin and wo the same compound
e wo the nyame nti na ho na ye office na wo
ba ko pe
but a few way the and say e person be district offices ewo you best start with 5
e ba krumu e di sen
I check akra
ben viesen o de roughly
about 10 years
about 10 years
yeah about 10 years
still one office adin
on say government agency and on say ke benya danka wa to any maybe but me na edin kakra but when you say this year say me kan no ya adwen say e started with 5 and anya Ashanti region all the regions so be have district offices na yatimi atre yashim because am adwuma ne den kakra kona say ye call oboase call be kwai e call manso e ko di be 5 days na o impact ne nkofo na ho keka na ya de asese asoman ye na ye ni ko ho na ye biebie ya so e bebre wo ba bi a e bebo ama temufo no ene ye mamufo na pese ye adwuma no etimi ho Minya the behun say kofu be na e wo pepper so maybe but I say e wo gap between ne regulators baako and me no ye rich and education ntina the time is me so yes and me ya me bo modi han say
obey but before say be ba eno so ne ahwe the challenges wo ho no me hwe how mo betimi atre mo nkwaba mu oba ye no wahu say bia enhyehyeye bi akoso dada na anyi ye because minim say assemblies no if someone move out akọhwe say oh ebia asokwa ye person ki nya office wo na nka mo ne assembly no kra akọkasa ebia nko betimi nya dan ba ko bi amamo na mo dem offices bi ba ko bi akotra ho say be ya onu benya oversight e was our district no mo collaborating with district assemblies no in a year affiliate na
me jara kan say affiliate on say bibia bibia na ye fe no pros and cons intino de e ba ni say you start FDA na adwen say many bo ha say those kan be bo ha yentime nko nti ye ne assemblies no was ha nhyehyeye no senka most of the district level most of the fem pa no nka omo be ye adwuma ni bi aboyen nti be ne say those kan health officers see to go around and bo ha omo inform ye ne Ghana Enterprise Agency for example so nhyehyeye omo abo omo nimdie efa ni man keten bi anatete no omo nim be bi ombeko the other source bi omo say some ka ibenya ananka so na say me say aban adwuma bi wo ni 10,000 workers na because Kenya be half crank Kenya bad
they say moye be say
we just say be do 2,000
across the country adai sikasem
menya nanka we de menya nka busa sana musana one ha
aya someone am wo ho entibi wa mutimi tro proposals ko ne no ma se bia ye hia staff strength no wo fam ye hia say what has been the response response any say
you me that say minim say me professor come from Pomanson, the new CEO, no, young Jumapa, and I'm saying the idea and say, Persia started with just Kakan built it. So, meaning said this year, taxi, no, and then say, Yabenya districts, all the regions. Something kind of medical, you can't call, Oboase, Yako, Ebeko Konongo, Yako, and say, but you could be officers, maybe war. I beat many, my officers, I didn't, and so far, there's some kind of. As a young clearance for some amount, but along the line, more will be added.
But see, the team, Eddie, the okay, the nice FDA into me, why you near Cosu?
Oh, so okay, I'm not in Kakra. Yeah, but like we said, Oliver Twist, we always want to ask for more. In Tikibenya, Nanka, so yeah, bear 10,000. Okay, beb, papa. So I'm saying, you call. Oboase kodi 5 days you call manso and abekwa utimi hu say yetimi cover a bigger leverage entino yenya ebeboa nuka de meka yenya more staff just staff logistics na ebeboa yen and then say obi abefe na be bia beka the same thing natural as a country. So I think it's something that as a minor as I see a my call and maybe kakra in terms of say yeah call down because people impose say abefun bia nim kakra obi aso kakra entino nina advocacy and say makan ya start so far it's been good, but of course say nya more capable and
they say most staff strength was Ashanti region yes
say 54
nipa 54 and there were millions of people that were Ashanti region hey Mokase yes logistics mami say bisao because nwanwa ya bo mutiri so sa yes FDA ya bo mutiri so because that's your job Mokase yes
Dina no obisa bomechi but bomechi say me wakasa am the class and I'm so say it's Mr. Akoy no one of your colleagues come wakasa and come the class and can you Jamaica but me akasa use my personal car just to help the system tier 3
more 3 cars they do baby cry just say wow you su car
3 na senka me wo back but of me sabi me nche dey here ntimi da ma ye dey adwuma ntimi am me personal car na ye adwuma
wow
yeah
asemo enti ye fa Ashanti region within a year mutimi to region we
within a year ya to on say ye be friend market surveillance and I say adwuma no you be risk assessment nti no be be a risk near higher now what focus more and every year you should data not to do a lot of risk analysis nti because e be our few you see a hair be a hair by you see a hair in so you see a hair journey so then the focus will be more shifted towards that action and you know baby in the world now you have to use a risk because of resource constraint. In fact even US and UK are the same problem no more and you use risk now but yet all like I said the focus for me as the new regional head is more of going to the districts. Okay, so I'm kind of educate be quiet. You call man, so you call boss. And here be very viable. Then before we go, we educate people. So yeah, but into no more enclave no, and yeah, they make it available. Make it more self available now. FDA so we can reach out to them, and then. You notice as I'm saying, I'm always on the media because education for me is important. And that is why mechanical natural. Because
a bad media say we caucus fidie so obia frewa and say we called you late, but definitely yes obeba. And we are happy about that. Say we be proactive. Ya ka bibia obeye na ne wo kaya mame I mean some revelation about no maybe I will lucky. Intimi mboa wo ma wontumi enye wadwuma ye but my picture of said yem wadwuma nankasa etie because ya ka herbal ya keka no ma bebre and they will be wo fufu ni ade wadwuma no e cover hen ne hen
edwuma no so dey decision food and drugs to food no adibia ya ba adwane
e bidibia nchiru ya kra ya re
in fact FDA they are also be drugs no also be better because we are for drugs but to have public health partner a defined drugs say adibia dey sayare dey boyare ho ban dey diagnosing we can diagnose that say ya hwehwe say bia we be na ha ni na kan and household chemicals for example to be use the mosquito spray hwan na edukum mo ni na kan yejuma na ntejuma na so
wow
yeah speak
na then na saa nkrofo nyina omutumi enya kwanya edi omudwuma because yenim se bebre so omunya approval said ye okay ne woton kotodwe wo kurumu a Jeff wo benya de ato nchen ya alignment ya mamia or this spray egusu wedwem ho ya yekoto abawi ene ne ono nso pan wi a na ode anwa se yi engine oil se din wode fa ho se be ya ebetehyehyɛ mama mfo akoto ni ade no saa nkrofo nyina eden no omutumi em se FDA ma wo tumi ansa na eba aduane saa no mani nyina ekwan be no omutumi nya tumi betra hodi se dwano mode mutumi ni bi ahye ba bi a wo mokɔgye wo hɔ ana se de mo ana mode ma mo wia no matomada
me da se same kai no ebenya nanka oman mu ha nanka saa de ne kwansi
ni se wo hwa wo yembechi we na wo wi hwe kakra ansa no akasa ma me no mosquito spray Jeff trekwa ese kakra ma me fast start ma me na ne yemu nhye no kakra so wo nam we me kai so mo de be ye banku ni ayi bi okro stew ti restaurant na wo call e no to bi o my yenti we
you me that say
on this yeah
so the issue that nke benya nanka sabe nsamoni bi wo ha nken koso krom but unim say we dan ya be koso e koso a there say na say we security we regulator ne how obesi react
right
good and now we want to empower the citizens so that they are betimi aboa na identify bibia yi asuche
okay
even if we are 1 million, let's even assume say FDA 1 million staff, we cannot still cover the
limitations
exactly until and ya hia temufo no say omomoy and so far mekanokre asantema has been phenomenal and on meka say obi our report bia no we investigate and I personally call and give you a feedback.
Okay.
So be encouraging who say, oh, what they are some kodan or more or meding or meboa. So your limitations in there no. We are making a lot of success because of in terms of and I say other agencies need even national security, even police, even judges, in fact now called GSA assembly no because we can't so until the woman say you far to me ma obia but my any assemblies ni ewo ahyehyeye nso so mo tako most of these places especially health officers no na BBC it is clearly an act by one ignorance number 2 just blatant abro
ignorance no
also onim say emwa funny ne nam so
tiba me fa mosquito spray
and then the easiest
onim de be
exactly in church and compliance and enforcement and that is what our chair me buy no me butai kese ne say me church kakra na me de mra na edwuma
nti ni pese ni mo chi na mo ye ne
ni pese no o chi na ese o man ntete
mo nya ne hwe
oh man say we business person na no bi say na ye ade a bit of a criminal aspect. The police for the bellies, not police for no ayomujumana juma. And now I will never be bright, coffee be work agencies be bro mu play. Until then, say files are not where the mama police. A boy I be fine, but fines near more na. You find anyway, your law money a certain amount of money. You can find it and sometimes you prefer the criminal. We are finding 25,000.
25,000. That's 250 million.
Exactly.
So much more money fine.
Yeah, you find what
250 million. 25,000.
And then the court so I court to wow if the court found you at where you're more 15 to 25 years.
15 to 25 years. Yeah, you see ya. It is that the pan we what oil yes we.
We me baby or one me team ko fan and security for na the court.
But some of them many more ba. And yeah, mutimi follow social media no because mommy or that's we see in anymore. And we see some of these things are way to be cry at a 10 wire underground investigation before the arrest and all that. Oh no, crap. Most of the times I wish I could be on all social media at the time T. But media make share morning shows for journalists for America. Was a more rich so. Next time and come more than a year so. And coffee Nancy make bakubi no de oats about Kumasi. Right.
And obi vigilance no my asuche. Sena is infested with weevil. The one police for any police for lazy. And Ashanti Regional Police Command's excellent on my boy.
Wow.
Until lazy and within 24 hours they could destroy. And also Yanyahu did it. But I think there's one thing I'm moving forward. I think I have to do a lot.
Yes.
A lot of the name and shame. Exactly. Until we are calling no may their friend name and shame. Many boy ha. Or the moya mon for my mobile mon for pictures and come. No, my teacher. You go would they take the family D. 7 number no. They would all send them. I say now ye nyina ye was antimem no ye beto ade ye be di ade hu sa ye be boy and na meka no kra na so acho nsa mane no do so kakra and many do emu bo ha ye de bibia beto line ne aye adwuma ye
sure
because say that osika e bia makodi fufu baby makona bibi say ya emwa and anya about say me nimti no menya de say me da bi me wa fa bi betimi akofa me soa madam 40 say obeta akofa afa bo hena is gone too soon na me be so na say no so me ne o
be sa kra boka ko yi
nti no de ye me kan say ye nyina ye mwa na o meka che mo ne menya nkita kwa che say me obi a me say no nonsense person
sure
o de adan ba yen a ye be di echi ni aye say ye na ebimo sofa meka no kra cho na say ya ba ko bi sa
Nhyira fan
ekoton e drama hospital bi in the hospital no pharmacist no yes smart no or why paper na tare drone no say na different
no they different
or they paper
and no gravity bibi fa emu kra ho say umutimi twa no mo de bottle foforo anya bia amanfo pe other brand na no mo de mo bia enye de abugu sa bottle no
anya mo if my team no as human beings are you work from harness attitude and bibi say no they make an assume say obi and a bomb in able to be vigilant and yes problem is say nka de ko na ye de ko wo nipa ko no ama na abon ho ban no
ebi kunu
ko bo because ko be ko fie na say ya wo me ade ko no
so akọ hospital ko ya yaresa
enso na so anya de na de wo ade fufure ye de wo and that is the extent of which ye mu bi nipa ete asante no mu din samone and minya kaka ibeti na be da bo asante man
sure
and take it from me. That's my Unia David. I'm say David. I have just one mission. Say as anti-memu, ebefa adia air food and drugs are. You be pempen so we know. You name say adi we there. Adia ahwe wadi mujuma. Na enso wampo me na pempen no yeduma no. Ya ma otumi ni ya nkoda wo. Ya call mountain so called FBB sampling ya peke ni mani bi ni test.
Okay.
Ya test na said ya tumi de ma no asesa ebe difference. The difference am I who do na kofa
and not the margin about herbal medicine abi baby bibidru and na utunu so bi no wote kona bi uhu saa enua ehini ni ade no de agu bottle mu na esisisisi wo in fact say wonam your friend is saying kegetia so say de wokọ konfa no chi ya ubo se bebre sisisi wo ekwan ho bebre na emai de se bebre na ye alatafo ne benifo bi ni sankofo bi abewura kromu a edua hini no wotọ a no aka wo se fa apeteshiko gu ho ana fanta fashe ne ade na mema ene sisi yade ne ma so to ene ade saa de nyina bewura kromu a paper bia antare ho no expiry date I don't know ye ne dey
no de bia na meka aside me medjuma no meka chete me phone say bi sa no label mbo ho atwini ho mento ena enya mento keke wo bibi say no on say we police facility FDA facility any police but we police facility I know omo for fear these people have to be getting rid of the market no see a ma asante memu you omo the cry for even a second because one udima de ko or the agu sa enya banim na bibia so yomunim say sabe before anya mpamu nsema eye sabe ema
otu ne onofo
ohun so bia so the side na tipa yeda
debi ayeto
ne ade a ohun ukoto bibi na ohwe na package ne kranya ade ya meka mento nti ye jai to a almost nya business nya the enrane but ade a on say meka no get Kumasi ye almost 4 million no nti ye doso nti juma no eso but me ya ne say enkrofo my information you move out but e be on say information and ebo nti meka say my police for number so mo yade
but there are concerns say FDA ebu anipa no kra say be otimi tena fie na wasoma me de ne product aba in your offices na yaman approval ebi kra onum kra mo monitoring correct nti bia herba no wo you say de no wo you what one ya brain approval na wa ye no wakotuatua ho bi and these concerns have been raised by citizens amanfo ka ho asem bebre say especially omomo sika wokrumu a ebi no ye products aho bebre no ebi okra won ko ho osoma ne de akona akogye aba how true is this thing
first of all I'll be shocked because the system here running any possible if you obi ya osa na pa kona na pese obu enti mese obi bia obi ya ne sadness am masonte because I mean one process na here no the process no what the buy here you have be preliminary evaluation you be labeling no sabe you know farm adekona ho na hesa ampa wo se wo de be ye tipa yedro ade na wo mu na ampa etimi tipa yedro nti no ye behe we be dozia nti dozia na ye nkrata che se ampa ade na wo mu no sa wo se kaka pempin ye se kaka pempin timi ye tipa ye ana etimi ye de wo kan ye fi wa nti ye behe labeling nti ye fe be guidelines on labeling Ghana yajatum nti ni mebu a behwe batch number expiry date ni de kan na indication ne de adekona wo fa na so hu adekona wo mu eyemra ye wi anu aye mane so ha o ye be test product
okay
nti imagine nti better na o de ade abre me Monday yes Monday mama approve nipa kono na say ben a criminal and it should be treated as a criminal
but what trustable workers in some people wouldn't push things along
in America say obi a was hard dance na me shama masonte
okay
because yeah will has a best some your mind and then say I didn't manage atoto kwan mo ne say the bear being the faculty kwan as I speak even me as the original head need to take a decision my own and I'm a buyer and so the mind say na your system bia o de call yes ko fa we bra ko fa na metwam me dey say opposite the bar fa the opposite the bar ni na bra prekope
okay
o de bar ma share for me committee a meeting bi nti anya ni ba ko pe decision say oh makote be bi na maje me bra bi binti na mama number na man kwa ma emfa because na man engineer to Kumasi
okay
na ma senya engineer fi akra ai and anya say na akra so me nka say be akra so be ka so beti ma say yes process na ye different I can some kaka more thing
tipo heba for ne ade no muntimi ntwim fa musa
na say me hu say obi afforge your certificate yes now I smart so forge me one my check my be 22 years nti me hu pa me nim say ade we dey more rem kaka and I let say police for fan ko obi so ha bon sana signature na wo so no wasesa CEO signature ebi mo so ewo nkrofo a o my Mohammed o men now you mo dia ne say na me hu na tani ba ko na wa tro asif say FDA but you see omonya smart FDA ni chief operating officer
no more chief of
exactly me share omo your business and say obi ani ho be o ye middleman or FDA o de ade be ba fa ba office na you receiving officially from there no me took a for say amunya so mo free staff na ye pewe ye we man na mo because decision making any staff nin Jordan said we do seek free na mo manya mpo na ha me say ma mo mfamma na mo obi so demand ya but my assunti am so krentia we are criminal act my police for assunti ne no dealing because I see yi say I am pass with my which I doubt but even fan pon say e bi o ma ye particular bobe ne nyom han kofu mfi ejuma no ejuma o de sika be compromise quality and safety efficacy obekum kofu bebre
sure
enti na ade a memfa ni agro enti no me abre and omo ma buy office make sure say no ma bebre asesa
Salom Joseph as me misa o say omo muton apio no ana ensefu say ne apio no
and yes ensefu apio ne
tapetition na ensefu no ma menka ne ensefu na minim omo muton ensefu no dodo do ade no ma bi egum at the retail point a man for ba ho a wo mo beto ne ade no ya sa no mo ye minim baby a ye ton sa ene sa no ma no mo de tan pray do saying because sa no ma cause we say sa kona ewura mu kakra no de as mo nshare down hwe ho papa bonifo sam cause pa
that's it some kind of this year no you reach the best sakakra
okay
ina ma say your risk matrix bi an ye de say oh any many bu ha as ya chintin say oh we there this is what it is e bu on say as a gray area ba ko ne de okay e bi ne chop bars e bi ne baby sam ko baby na ye ani edi exactly
o baba ne edi
enti no e bi so de insan no de na frefrem we ni insan man last em say David kan interview no me ne nakok boss no e ade ankofo ye e na ye nim enti ye ne nakok lazy pa ye ne some kind of police for lazy na ya ka chomo say on say drink na bitters ne alcoholic way no maybe how is he processing no e na e fe be residential solvents bi wo
okay
e bi ne methanol into no Ghana standards now test so that be a bioma levels no be low into no your test here in pimpino or more modified straight from bush let me see look oh yes I was sure
I know she
into no your test here you na as I see a 2 for now you know better so na be And you know, like I said, this year target is kakra. Okay. Call base nankasa. Near age man, because say we had more greater Kumasi easy. Anya police fan chiwa assembly anchiwa will be full for behu. But hinterlands a problem.
Wow. Sukudai o se sukudai mote ho asem.
Yete mo asem ba.
Wow.
Yete mo asem.
Mo hwehwe mu chese free ase da ben.
Unfortunately, because of many national security coordinator, but we are very close.
Okay.
And you know, on my sample.
Ebusia be hwe sa sukudai and the screen is na ehu.
Until my sample, my sample, I better test it. But yeah, I'm saying kita kudi ho ta koso. Enti se me kind say minim say hanewa medadao. But at least me the him say another agency so here airboa. Now FDA by press release on this whole issue about Sukudai no. Nti ebebo oma my na baso so my oma bomo dey. The here say protected public health and safety. Say una be you, me na me you. The him and say ya bonk of ho ban. FDA be out very soon on some of these issues. Now it's collaboration. The collaborative ebeboa. We dan ya onkwa untimenye. Edwuma se nyina ye dan ye kambo. Na yempo de ye behwe beyond we ne. First of all, Botaya Bema obi this animal about just is one of them. Then education is important.
Okay.
Because I can't understand for the life of me. Say me talk anything I enable ya dom. But no bia na was anim de no. Nche idea see church nkofo. O to ade na ye de go to emu. Hu ade ko wo ma mesro mento.
Say kra de man de hu a men komodi a me no di nyina. Hu se machiwa but de man ye me hu ne say now we talk about labeling.
Exactly.
As you say label bo ho. At the end of the day, what confirm wa hanso say labels ni bi wo ho e bo ho a nkrofo aye ne fake. Wo mo ankasa na aye de abo ho nti all right me hu say label bo ho but I wouldn't know say ade ewu mu no enye de ese metimi econom. And now there are concerns say bisu wo ho a ade no de beba mo approve ama no okuduru fia subsequent production and I say the obey na chire bia no nimisi wanya krata awie enti ingredients or de ye no bo nso watete so ana wo sesa no wo hu enti eba na sa ye no a ye consumers no ye be den ye hunu say ade yate ingredients no so ate ana se bia nipa no fake eyi no de abo ho de na be me ehunu
but I say enti label no bo say there basic issues bro. First of all, product we say label me ho. Nti me ana obi a otie me bia ade label bon kwada men try. First thing. Number 2, label no bo ho a you fit be batch number, if it be expiry, if it be manufacturing date. And you want manufacturer's details.
Nhyira.
And you want contact. Because I say ade ko na ofa na o to na o ko fa no. Why na yeye? Nti asemba why na go busa no.
Right.
Number 2, Usha packaging is why I wow. And why can I why to chima a more officer to Momo Pesiman. Number 3, Adibia FDA Jatumbiano. I am Canano, your FDA registration number.
It be a fake film.
Numbers very fake because numbers don't fake.
Okay.
But you see, me and I can make my code because code na also. But me the mouse na ya no musuti.
80.
Until the other say FDA/BB. BB no can be drink, it can be cereals, it can be drugs, it can be herbal. Until drugs they own editing. Mama. It's when FDA/SD. S is specialty. Specialty just say what you branded. Until be ame Nathaniel just a Nathaniel pastor mo. Until say I know ya man my ben FDA/SD. By which the pastor mo keke so by ben FDA/GD. Name who am atiase. But same kind because me dey na to ya
no o de fe no asi ho. Enti dey betumi aye nso bi ne na wo ka say SD code bo ho. I betumi is it scannable?
Ebi scannable. But what one I say send the contact details say what label no so.
Okay, so bit me a friend.
Exactly. Okay. But the here make us here pan product be a FDA agent to me so FDA registration number. Only be a men how on. And I'm this year made a lot of educational drive because you see temufono to me a certain decisions on their own. Yeah. Abuja na ya de bia US ni UK na ya me so ti mo na abrabi te kumam go dey answer we ni me bia kosa ni na adwem emfa na report my police for ya dey access a culture na before etiminya na ye make sure say de bia me to auto ade bi na de na fa asasa you have the right to ask Minya, what is going on? Now say obi a complains about adebia auto I was say there as a taste no nyem fe the person encourage
taking the taste no so
the person encouraging crofo na auto bi na ade na auto afa na asasa ebi do kan say ya ma to me wako frame and if be market surveillance surveillance your quality and your safety quality ni say ya ba ya pick ya na test wa lab na de de ma na mu obeto aso de ma na wasem a e beje funsem and man so my kwan say also san bibia FDA ma hutumi a one kan chema ya ntuma
right
section 119 na chair say say cancel tina say heba shop bia ono de na ni abre obaso make sika na heba na de ma no akọ fry ni nru back kono
yeah
abrofu nru back kono yes
enru
ebi a multivite ebi a antibiotics ebi it is a cocktail
ono so de heba na ebe no
it's closing it down
my idea.
Oh yeah, in time cry. You're closing it quickly.
Wow.
Exactly. And you know, switch. I'm kind of saying the way I see actually. Oh my head think when I hear mukwana, I am pack the ehuna. I'm fine. I'm quite sure you're close with that.
More number be say you bit me afraid because you been muti. Almost see you almost switch number ben you be friend. My number be I be a worker say mu nyina no ensan ya to yen komo no so number be.
Me pa jo de me PR
PR Mr. my number be sisia na omo etie ya enra me be phone lines na nya agro and you they wish that ombetumi a report no maybe PR my entio grado number ben you betumi afre
yo say obi person FDA di inkita ho number betumi afre so ni 050 718 74 22
access to be my
050 718 74 22 and senior ken obi ko hu bibi wadwaman so opeso reported to FDA ni obetumi answer obetumi twa picture obi so peso audio so
okay
and so your number on my obetumi e de asene so
okay
and so 0531
0192
76
access to be
0531
0192 76 tie no your WhatsApp number enti se bia wako hu bibi na enye kwan mu fa so ye aduane ne nya ya wo de video kakra bia now they send this WhatsApp number no and then FDA be take action
tiana also trust picture na so betuma my area view na okay sani ya access a picture na you betumi so ehu and so betuma my direction of the place so there so ye ni beje ho pa say bibisa beba
all right yeah that's the plan I think so be the we be aba or say akokwa these labels can be printed easy by the boys in town. How can my grandma see this and report it? I think say the a better challenge nti onon de no be den obefa taste no ene such a even na wedi kan kanana
grandma no dey editing no kwade make sure abro fact na so kwade maybe me ba ha this last year and obi suggest say Gabeka yes I think sure labeling tree
I make I see be phone lines more can
I think something that we may as a country seriously have to consider
sure.
Then have English and then another language
which is widely spoken
or say regions oh no can comfortable kontoka your original to be registered in Kumasi of course basically we are there voter because of no more for me I think it's something that we may have
but there was a foreign diagnostic set be by and I don't want to mention specific
brand okay
but a diagnostic equipment you say kits and it is written in English and Twi.
Awesome.
A self-testing kits are meant for the testing, but it is written in English and Twi because they believe that a widely spoken. I think sir you bet me you were very I think 3 or 4 languages ye kapa ukrumu ha.
Yeah.
And we can do that. Say bia ye ko ha because products in the betching. It would mean say ebia asante mantem ko na bewo and na be konkran ni adenti bia sa for we nanki aye. I mean, I think it's a good call. For
me, I think it's a good idea.
Yeah.
And
okay,
guideline idea, Jumana. I can say English, and it can be only English or English in any other language. So thumbs up, and I think we should encourage that a lot,
right.
Because most of these countries, English now native language.
Yes,
they are just to bring everybody on board because sometimes you can approach it. One abroad tempuma the more than
or has
a security shaping the nation so much.
It's true.
Now you're negative and penny for to say baying one is animal boy.
Avanti the only deported from UK and I'll be webbing my deported. One of my friends was telling me say they need what to say a rebby. They need what to do baby and I'll be one test for one. Weja adeno ato through that no so also kana ta no nhye da nya yi papa na say abanti tiati they are helping a lot say kind no
so no more beans no your color codes I don't say the bibiagum exactly
everyone che no monitor but mama my chief from rem kakra na yentie wo mo so consensus no na anu ye bi wo ha wo de am 032208358 83582 83583 ubetumi afre na ya twetwe enkomo enra mama a man space kese enti ene I'm starting with a man I'm starting with a man enti we oba e me man no aba but me man chance about be 5 to 10 calls first calls with them the mama enti a man fraying concerns about nnuane ni enru ahodo a yeto ne mountain de ekoso nyina yedi nkomo bebra no pay enti we oba na wa frɛ Mr. Emma no munya mo hijacking line no minim any serial callers no mo brebe ba me fa be 5 e mai di kan na be na mo aba